Welcome back to Core English. This is Level 2, Lesson 1, the subject and the predicate. In Level 1, you learned that a sentence is a complete idea, and you practiced finding meaning with who, action, what, where, and description. In this lesson, we will take the next step. We will learn two important words, subject and predicate. Let's start with a quick review. A sentence is a complete idea. It begins with a capital letter and ends with a period, question mark, or exclamation mark. The cat runs. He kicked the ball. Every sentence has two main parts. The first part is the subject. The subject is the who or thing the sentence is about. The cat runs. The subject is the cat. He kicked the ball. The subject is he. The subject is the who or thing that does the action. In this example, he is the one doing the action. A description can describe the subject. For example, we could say, the brown cat runs. The second part of a sentence is the predicate. The predicate tells us the action and the rest of the information about the sentence. This is where we often find the action, what, where, and also can include descriptions. The cat runs. The predicate equals runs. He kicked the ball. The predicate equals kicked the ball. The dog sleeps on the sofa. The predicate equals sleeps on the sofa. The zebra ate the green grass. The predicate equals ate the green grass. Every sentence has these two parts. Together, the subject and predicate make a complete sentence. When you know how to find the subject and the predicate, you can understand every sentence more clearly. The subject is always the who or thing it's about. The predicate is the action and the rest of the idea. This will help you read longer sentences and build your own. In this lesson, we reviewed sentences, and we learned two new ideas, subject and predicate. Now download your practice sheet for Lesson 1 at our website, coreenglish.org, and do the drills. Remember to practice whenever you can. In the next lesson, we will learn about nouns, the words we use for people, places, and things, and how to show more than one. If you have found this video has helped you, then help us out by liking the video and subscribing to our YouTube channel.